Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your fantasy squad for the specific game week and confirming you have the bench boost chip available. This is essential because you cannot activate it mid-match day once transfers lock. Once logged in, review your bench players quickly for fitness and fixtures, and make any last-minute swaps so the bench is set. Make sure automatic substitutions are understood, since they affect bench points. These first actions prevent mistakes later. You now proceed to the chips area and select Bench Boost, because this is where the activation lives. Choose the exact game week you want it to apply to and hit play. Once done, the system will usually prompt you to confirm. Accept that confirmation so the chip is locked in. Make sure to check the manager overview or your team page after confirmation. The interface should show an active bench boost badge, so you know it will count for that game week. You finish by verifying the active bench boost badge and rechecking your bench order, because the right bench configuration maximizes points if starters miss matches. If activation fails, retry immediately, and if still unsuccessful, take screenshots and contact platform support before the game week locks. Timing matters. Make sure you understand that chips cannot be moved after the deadline, so plan for auto-sub scenarios and last-minute injuries. This final verification prevents lost opportunities and gives you recourse if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.